My Peoplesburg was effectively a Festival of Ice commission. I couldn't have put it together without them. I was able to get an orchestra on my record, and so it's great to be able to play it now at the festival. It really wouldn't have happened without the Festival of Ice's involvement.
On the frontier of delusion, I'm your foremost frontier man. Drones in the city, sitting pretty in the sky.